Pullman, class 73. Hello. Pullman, class 73. It's Pullman, class 73 miniature electrical locomotive. Hello. It's the Pullman, class 73. And there's the friendly 79-year-old, sorry. Off we go. Do it. Thank you. Thank you. Pullman, class 73. And the friendly 79-year-old. It's Pullman, class 73, and the friendly 79-year-old. It's the friendly It's the friendly 79-year-old. What happened? What happened? Never mind. It's the friendly 79-year-old. There he is. Oh, going in action now. Pullman, class 73. Thank you. Got you in. Off he goes. It's the Pullman, class 73. Hello. Enjoying the ride? Got a good photo of you smiling. Smile. Gonna take a video. Off he goes. Pullman, class 73. There he is. Oh, sorry. Smile. I've got a good photo of you smiling.
Oh, have you? Oh, you got. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
If you smile on the camera, you'll get a good photo of you smiling. And that would be one of my treasured collections of your smile photos.
Oh, right. I didn't know you had a collection.
Yeah, I'll edit all the photos in and I'll include the photos of you in them smiling.
Oh, right.
Because I've done it in many of the picture views, haven't I, with him smiling. You should show him those.
It'll go on YouTube then.
Yes, it will. Please, if you ever get the chance to, please show him my picture view video one day. Please do. And it will have, some of the thumbnails will be of you smiling. Or maybe Pullman will be the thumbnail for this one, or you smiling. It's Pullman, class 73. Here's Pullman, class 73, and the friendly 79-year-old former VR signalman.